We have created a book called A Girl's Guide to Growing Up, and it covers the basics of. Hello and Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna talk about A Girl's Guide to Growing Up. So you all must have seen the book that I've released recently. I really wanted to talk about it and do a short reading session with you all. So today here I am, and we're gonna do a short reading session of the book. I'm gonna show the book from the other perspective so that you can have a look the way I do. So let's start. The first message that I've given here is every girl needs to receive information about period hygiene and management, about biological facts and practical ways of managing periods in a hygienic and discreet way. A Girl's Guide. Then we move on to the next page, which says, "Hello girls, you have reached a milestone where you're growing up from a girl to becoming a woman. During this new transition, you will go through many physical and emotional changes. You might have many questions in your mind. You might feel embarrassed to ask anyone, but hey, we've got you covered. This guidebook has been designed especially for you to help you through this new stage of life. Enjoy reading." What's happening in your body? You're growing up, you're growing taller. It's a natural process where growing up, and it's called puberty. You may feel embarrassed sometimes to even ask somebody, a grown-up, a teacher, or even a friend. But hey, it's okay. We have this book for you. You can come, get the book. You can buy the book online. It's called A Girl's Guide to Growing Up. This is specially designed for you to break the communication barrier and open up. Don't feel embarrassed. The transition phase, which is called puberty. While it is a natural and normal process, sometimes girls feel embarrassed to even ask what it is. Likewise, parents, teachers become hesitant. But teachers are there to help you and explain you through the process. They're there to guide you just as your parents are. This guide is going to act like your parent and your teacher, which is going to explain to you what is this new transition phase in your body. If you have any further questions, you can hit comment, like, and just ask me directly